In the last two seasons, the Chiefs have combined for a record of 20-12, which has marked the second straight season Andy Reid and the Chiefs went over the Vegas season totals. In fact, Andy Reid has had a 5-2 record against the Vegas season wins totals in the last 7 years. So, of course, with the line for the Kansas City's upcoming season being at 8.5, we're taking the over on that number. Check out these games here where I think they might fall. All right, week 2 at home versus Denver. The Chiefs haven't beaten the Broncos since Peyton Manning arrived on the scene. Enough said with that one. Week 3 on the road versus Green Bay. Aaron Rodgers and the Pack went 8-0 at home last season, and they aren't going to start losing at Lambeau to the Chiefs. We've got wins up until the bye week in week 9, but then after that bye week, they're taking on the Broncos for what I'm predicting to be another loss to Peyton Manning and the Broncos. Questionably, there could be a loss to the Chargers in Week 11. Yes, the Chiefs swept both their games against the Chargers last season, but this game is a little bit more dynamic. They're on their 3rd straight road game, 2nd straight divisional matchup, and coming off an exhausting game against Denver. That's a lot of travel and a lot of pressure. Now, I'm also thinking the Chiefs will drop a game to the Raiders either in Week 13 or 17. I'm swinging more towards Week 13, though. The game is on the road, and last season the Chiefs lost the game in the final minutes at Oakland. And this year the Raiders are going to be much better team. Cue Amari Cooper. And finally, Week 15 versus Baltimore. The Chiefs won't stand a chance in the middle of December against the best team in the AFC North. So that brings us to a record of 11-5, maybe 10-6 this season for the Chiefs. I'm betting with Andy Reid in Kansas City to beat the Vegas odds makers for the 3rd straight season and go over that total of 8.5.